Welcome student. In this class I will going to discuss structure of maltose. So in last class I told you maltose is disaccharide. Maltose is disaccharide because maltose on hydrolysis, that is hydrolysis gives one molecule of alpha D glucopyranose means glucose and second is also alpha D glucopyranose. Both are same, identical. Okay, so maltose giving how many monosaccharide in it? 2. Therefore maltose is disaccharide. Okay, so now this reaction, hydrolysis reaction clearly indicates that maltose is consisting of 2 alpha D glucopyranose molecule. Okay, in maltose these 2 alpha D glucopyranose molecule are linked to each other by bond. That bond is known as glycosidic bond. The bond which hold these 2 molecule together. Okay, which 2 molecule? Alpha D glucopyranose and alpha D glucopyranose second. These 2 molecule hold together. That bond is called glycosidic bond. Okay, and in maltose it is found that the glycosidic bond present between carbon number 1 of one glucose molecule and carbon number 4 of another glucose molecule. Okay, so see, this is glucose and this is C1 having OH group. Okay, and another glucose having OH group at C4. See, just for our understanding, this is the carbon number 1 of glucose having OH group. This is the carbon number 4 of another glucose molecule having OH group. These 2 OH group will lose H2O and going to combine glucose C1 O C4 glucose. Okay, so C1 of one molecule and C4 of another molecule combine together through this bond. This bond is known as glycosidic bond. Okay, so in glucose glycosidic bond present between C1 of one and C4 of second molecule. Okay, so this is glycosidic bond. Now I will try to draw structure for maltose. We know the structure for alpha D glucopyranose, beta D glucopyranose, so we have to combine them through C1 and C4 through oxygen, that will give maltose. Okay, very simple. Let us try. As we know, CH2OH, alpha D, alpha means alpha D glucopyranose, OH group add down H. Okay, then carbon number 1, carbon number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, H, H, OH, OH, H, H, OH, H, OH. This is the structure Haworth projection formula of alpha D glucopyranose plus carbon number 4. Okay, carbon number 4 of second alpha D glucopyranose. Similarly, CH2OH. This is carbon number 6. H, OH, H, H, OH, H, OH, OH, H. This is alpha D glucopyranose. Okay, these are the 2 structure of 2 alpha D glucopyranose molecule monosaccharide. In maltose there is a glycosidic bond between C1 of 1, this is the C1, and C4 of second, OH group of C1 and OH group of C4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this going to release water molecule minus H2O. Just combine them, you will get structure for maltose. I will draw here. Okay, same, very simple. H this is the bond, simple bond. Okay, I will draw like this, oxygen present and remaining as it is. Okay, H CH2OH H. Okay, HOH HOH OH H, and then HOH OH H OH H. Okay, so this bond is glycosidic bond between C1 oxygen C4. Okay, both are alpha D glucopyranose, alpha D glucopyranose. So this is the simple structure of maltose. Okay, to draw the structure of maltose, we must know the structure for alpha D glucopyranose. Two molecule of alpha D glucopyranose, we have to join them through C1 and C4. C1 of one glucose molecule and C4 of another glucose molecule. Okay, so this is the simple structure for maltose. Okay, so in next class we will going to discuss structure of cellobiose. Okay, thank you.